it's Dom and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, kamusta kayo? Today it's September 20th. It's a Saturday, so it's a weekend. So it's gonna be a weekend vlog. I know it's been almost 2 weeks since last upload ko. Medyo naging busy-busyhan lang. And today lumabas na kami kanina. Nagpunta na kami ng Walmart, pero hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang hirap mag-vlog kapag hawak ko si Adelaide, yung baby ko, tapos si Andrea. And then hinintay namin si Daddy Alvin sa Walmart. And naka-mic pala ako ngayon guys kasi gusto ko siyang i-test gamitin sa vlog ngayon kasi gagalaw-galaw-galaw tayo ng bonggang-bongga. So right now, it's time to clean muna ng room kasi habang tulog si Adelaide and then si Daddy Alvin nasa kitchen busy and si Ate Andrea naglilinis din ng room niya. So samahan niyo ako.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games. The situation rotates and they take.
Tapos na ako mag-vacuum guys. So medyo nakakapagod. So uupo muna ako. Alam mo naman dito sa Canada, hindi uso ang katulong guys. So mostly ang paglilinis talagang kami-kami lang kung sino yung nakatira dito. Tapos, ayun, ang ginawa pala namin sa Walmart kanina guys is, kaya kami nagpunta dun ni Ate Andrea at saka ni Adelaide is, mag-birthday party si Ate Andrea sa October 4. Ang birthday niya is September 30th, pero magsa-celebrate siya sa October 4. So, bumili lang kami ng mga chocolate candies at saka yung paper bag for her loot bag para sa mga friends niya. Sobrang nakaka-happy kasi excited si Ate Andrea ang gumawa ng loot bag niya. And siya yung pinapili ko ng mostly na mga ilalagay niya. And then, si Sis Maria, si Ninang Fat, yung kapatid ko, yung ate ko, gagawa siya ng tag for the loot bag and gagawa siya ng bracelet. Ang cute nung bracelet, gumagawa siya. Mag-aayos naman ako ng desk ko ngayon guys. Pero gusto ko sa inyo ipakita yung collection ko. Natatawa yung family ko, especially my dad, nung pinabili ko sa kanya to. Kasi sa Philippines to mabibili. Ito yung mga detangler brush ni Ann Klutz, my idol, my kumare from the Philippines. So, ang mga colors guys is black. Of course, my favorite color, favorite namin ni Miss Ann Klutz, yellow, purple, and pink. May kulang ako ng color. I think it was blue. Meron ako nung small version niya. Nakatabi siya yung may sign ni Miss Ann Klutz. Pero nakalimutan ko magpabili ng malaking version. Yung mga may sign ni Miss Ann Klutz, tinabi ko. Kasi hindi ko siya gagamitin for souvenir ngayon. Ang ganda ng mga messages. Napakabait ni Miss Ann Klutz. Thank you, Miss Ann Klutz. And thank you, Dad, for buying my brushes. Grabe guys, nakatulog ako nung nagising si Adelaide. Tapos pinatulog ko siya ulit for nap. Nakatulog din ako. So, pagising ko, nandito na si Daddy Alvin. Kasi umalis siya kanina nung naglilinis ako ng kwarto. Pinuntahan niya yung kawork niya. So, magdi-dinner pa lang ako ngayon. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung dinner ko. Ito ulam namin guys. Ang ulam namin ay menudo by Daddy Alvin. Kain tayo guys. Ang sarap ng ulam namin guys. Grabe, ang sarap ng pagkaluto ni Daddy Alvin sa menudo, kompleto sa ingredients. Kaya talagang masarap yung ulam kapag kompleto sa ingredients. So right now, kumakain kami ni Adelaide ng banana. Pakita ko si Adelaide sa inyo. Hi Adelaide! Say hi. You're eating banana. Yes, you like banana? Yes? Yummy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, September 22. Grabe, ang aga ko nagising. Hindi kasi ako makatulog mabuti. Currently, it's 5:48 a.m. So, isang oras na lang kasi prepare ako ng baon ni Andrea ng mga 7, pero dahil magsa 6 o'clock na, it's gawin ko na ngayon. Ito yung baon ni Andrea, guys. So, fries and pizza pocket, barbecue chips, and birthday cake, cookies. And then may extra lang siya ditong pokey at saka yung Rice Krispie. Hi, Adelaide. Gising na si Adelaide. Hi, ate. Good morning. Yan, gising na rin si Adelaide. Tapos ito yung breakfast ni Ate Andrea, cereals and banana. And then ito yung kay Adelaide, banana and French toast and water. Ayan guys, kumakain na si Adelaide ng breakfast. Say hi, Adelaide. Can you say hi? Hi. Bagong gising lang siya. Say hi, Adelaide. Can you say hi? Hi, I'm eating breakfast. Kain ka na, Adelaide. Ate, your breakfast is ready.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient.
Hindi na pala to weekend vlog, guys, kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng Sunday yesterday kasi nung Saturday night hindi nakatulog mabuti si Adelaide. So, medyo antok na antok ako yesterday. Puro tulog halos ginawa ko. So, today is Monday. Continue natin yung vlog. Ngayon, kumakain lang si Adelaide. So, si Ate Andrea naman nagre-ready for school. And then, kakain na siya ng breakfast. Hi, Adelaide! Breakfast with Ate. Hi, Ate! Breakfast, Adelaide's favorite meal of the day. Yan. Bye, ate. Papasok na si Ate Andrea sa school. Hatid siya ni Daddy Alvin. Bye, ate. Take care.
Bye, Emily.
I'll pick you up dun sa ano, ha?
Bye, Emily.
Say bye, ate. Bye-bye. Ate, hug mo si Adelaide. Hi. Bye, ate. Hug, ate. Ayan guys, nakapasok na si Ate Andrea sa school. Si Adelaide na lang kasama ko. Say hi, Adelaide. Say hi. Hi, Adelaide. Ayan guys, kakain na ako ng breakfast before yung appointment ko. So may time pa naman ako pero bibilisan ko pa rin kumain. So I have pancit canton and hard-boiled egg. Haluin ko pa. So I have hard-boiled egg. Asan na itlog? My favorite egg. Ayan. So, kakain muna ako, guys. Hi, guys. Nagpunta nga pala kami sa Walmart kanina. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang lakas ng ulan kanina. Nag-ano lang kami, yung mga kulang namin sa grocery. Bumili kami. Tapos, binila namin si Adelaide ng slide. Sobrang saya niya. Nung una na tatakot pa siya mag-slide mag-isa hanggang sa nasanay siya. So, papakita ko na lang sa inyo mamaya habang naglalaro siya sa slide niya. Go Adelaide! Go Adelaide! Go Adelaide, slide! Go Adelaide! Adelaide, go! Are you happy? Go Adelaide! Go! Slide! Yay! Clap your hands! Good job, Adelaide! Nagnanap si Adelaide ngayon, so kakain ako ng lunch. So, ang lunch natin for today is munggo. Kain, guys. Nakauwi na pala si Ate Andrea, guys. Nasundo na namin siya. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa namin is, ginagawa na niya yung loot bag niya. So, tinutulungan ko siya. So, samahan niyo kami, guys. Ate, what are you making? Your loot bags?
Yes.
Okay, so ate is putting a ring pop on one of each loot bags for her friends or for her visitors.
Hey. Good job.
And Adelaide is having some snacks. Cereals. Hi, Adelaide. Adelaide. Hi. What's your birthday theme, ate?
Sushi.
Sushi. What's your favorite sushi, anak?
Salmon.
And crab meat. Yung parang anong tawag doon?
Wait, they're all done.
Oh, they're all done. Okay, so we're gonna open lollipops naman.
How many should I get? Like this. Right here.
2 of each. Pero magkaibang color.
Yeah.
Okay, so ate will put some lollipop na.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning.
Ate will do this slide. Hold on. Okay, go ate. Hi guys, ayan, tapos na namin gawin yung loot bags ni Andrea. Naka-dinner na kami, nakaligo na kami. Say hi, Adelaide. Say good night. Ayan, nagloloko na si Adelaide. Inaantok na. Say good night, Adelaide. Say bye-bye.